everyone, this is Bhagyashree here. I'm from Krishna Pearls, Jubilee Hills, road number 36, Hyderabad. So welcome to back our show, Krishna Pearls Facebook Live. Thanks for coming and please like and share to us. Please support us too. We are ready for show you very different collection. We recently launched, I'm ready to show you with a fresh water pearls. So we started our online store in www.krishnapearls.com in 2014. We recently do shop in our website www.krishnapearls.com. So we are ready to give you the coupon codes, please visit our website store. We have many more collection in our website store. And also in exclusive store we are into pearls in gold, pearls in silver, pearls in diamonds. So we came up with a very pretty new collections recently launched. Every week we are going to launch very different collection to you guys. We are ready to serve you. We want to give you a red carpet service to you. So let's start with the strings. I just want to show you the very beautiful strings. Yes. Look at the piece. It's a beautiful one piece actually. Look at the shine it is, round pearls. It has a graduation, small, bigger one. It is a different shape actually. It's a V shape. So with any outfit you easily wear it for your contemporary dresses, for your meeting purpose, for your any outfit. It looks very beautiful. See how pretty is this? It's a wonderful neck pieces. It's a wonderful, very beautiful and prettiest neck piece. In this we do the customization. Look at this. This is the 2 lines. If you want only 1 line, we are ready to do the customization according to your choice. And also it's a very reasonable price. Guess how much is this? Can you guess? Can I tell you? This is the 32,800. It's a very reasonable prices for the gifting purpose, where you are wearing office wear, official wear, contemporary wear, any wearing, for any outfit. This is just pick it up and just wear it for the beautiful neck for you. See the shine of this. This is just 32,800 rupees, and also we do customization in your budget. And also if you don't like only the 1 line, yes, of course we do the 1 line also for you guys. If you don't want these 2 lines, I'm ready to give you I'm ready to do the customization in your budget for 1 line also. So we have a fresh water pearl starts from 3,000 rupees. 3,000, 2,800 to we have 40,000, 60,000 also we have. It's all depend on the pearl quality. This is the fresh water pearls. This is a 32,800 rupees. It's a very beautiful, and you can wear this years. And for the polishing and everything, if it is anything, you can come back to our store. We are ready to give you the red carpet service at Jubilee Hills, road number 36, Hyderabad. Krishna Pearls. We are a very good quality at here. Why you want to go here and there, searching in the Google, going here and there? Why you want to waste your time? I am ready to do the video call and show you our latest collection in Facebook, in FaceTime, WhatsApp video call. Just give your inbox your contact number, what all requirement you want to give you somebody, gifting purpose and everything. Don't waste your time. Just give your contact number, inbox. We are ready to do the video call and show you your latest collection here. So let's just want to show you one more bracelet. See, it has a beautiful colors. Oh my god, this is a very beautiful. See how unique piece is this. We have a peach, grayish one, half white, golden. All the colors is available here. So this is a wonderful piece which is ever seen everywhere. See how shiny is this. If you give to gift to somebody else, they will loved a lot. Guess how much is this? Can I reveal? Yes, this is 8,000 rupees. It's so cute and so pretty. Look at this. How pretty is this? When you put on your hand, it looks very wonderful. For this, if you want to give this one for the gifting purpose or else for the official wear, contemporary wear, you can match up with a very pretty studs. Actually, I'll just show you. Why don't you gift something like this? We will ready to do the packing for you, and all over India we do the free shipping for you. Anywhere, just give your pin code number. Just order online, or else you just send me your complete address. We are ready to give you the do the free shipping for you guys. All over India, we are ready to give you with the discounts, with the best discounts and free shipping all over pan India we do. For any doubts, any details, please inbox your contact number. We are ready to give you the red carpet service to you guys. Thank you so much for joining with us in a FB Live. So let's start up. I just want to show you one more pieces for you, so that you will get an idea. Okay, if you want pearls, freshwater pearl strings, okay, let's go the krishnapearls.com. You can online, just WhatsApp us. We are ready to give you the red carpet service, guys. So I just want to show you one more beautiful neck pieces. See, this is मुझे तो लग रहा है ये खरीदना ही खरीदना है. Like, it's a wonderful piece. Yeah, this is very beautiful graduation piece. It is a small to bigger one, 2 lines one. If you want a 3 lines, 4 lines, we are ready to do the customization. And these all products we have in online store also, www.krishnapearls.com. So many varieties with the descriptions we are there in online store. See how shining is this. Look at here. It's a beautiful and wonderful neck piece. Guess if I am like ready to give this somebody else like very beautiful neck piece. Guess how much is this, guys? This is 16,000 rupees. How reasonable is this, right? Oh my god, really, it's a wonderful piece. Look at the shiny of the pearls. It's a weight. It's a very beautiful quality fresh water pearls. This is amazing piece. Seriously, like this I do have many more collection like this. Guys, you are thinking like if you really bored with the white color, I do have a peach color, and also we do have a golden and the silver. We do have a half white. See the peach one, rose gold. See, look at this. These pearls are really wonderful. Just feeling to buy immediately and wear the wonderful occasion, the beautiful one. See, for your beautiful neck, for your beautiful pretty neck piece. Guess how beautiful is this? You looks like a princess. Just see, look at. Please visit the Krishna Pearls in Jubilee Hills, road number 36. Just looking purpose, please walk in our store. Just why don't you have a look our collections? Look at there, we have a very huge and very biggest store in Jubilee Hills, Krishna Pearls, Hyderabad, road number 36. Please visit the store. We have all varieties in our store. We are into pearls in gold, pearls in silver, pearls in diamonds. We are into diamonds also in pearls. We have many more collections. If you want in diamonds, please give your WhatsApp number or Facebook number, FaceTime, anything. Just give your mail ID. How convenient you are. Just give your contact numbers to reach you. I am ready to do the video call and show you our collections. I'm Bhagyashree here. I'm always help you guys. So hope so you can join with us immediately. Give your contact numbers. So yes, I just want to show you one more thing also. Look at here. See, This is 8-line mala. People are likes the pearls mostly. Why? Because the Hyderabad is a famous for the pearls. In between it's have a ruby stones, and for the any sari, any outfit, any outfit you can wear it like a simple way and get ready for the party. And this is a very fresh water pearls unique piece, so you can do it like any outfit. See the shine of this. Look at this. Here the mostly the outside local, like I never seen this kind of quality. When I have seen in the Krishna pearls, the quality, it's a fresh water pearls, and you can wear this years and years and years ago. If anything is there, you can come back to us. We are ready to repair it. We are ready for anything for you guys. I just want to give you the red carpet service to you guys. So like this, we have a many more collection in Krishna pearls. And also please contact us 92480-36721. This is my contact number. We are into Krishna pearls, Jubilee Hills, road number 36, Hyderabad. Please, if you don't have time to give your contact number, please go to www.krishnapearls.com. We have a clearly mentioned in pearls earrings, pearl strings, necklaces, pearls in gold, pearls in silver, pearls in diamonds. So every description we are ready. What you are looking for? If you are earring, if you are looking for, go to the earring. You just click there. You will get a blended collection in our website. So click there. If you have any doubt to place an order, please contact me. You can share your contact details. I am ready to give you the more answerable for that. And do you know, guys, we are starts from studs. See the studs. Oh my God, it's a real pearl and real silver. We have a many more colors here. We do have a black, silver, golden, half white, rose gold, many more colors we do have. If you bore with the white one, let's go for the peach one. Let's go for the silver one. And also these are the quality one. These starts from 200 rupees. Can't you believe? Just the 200 rupees we start. You just go in online www.krishnapearls.com. Just 200 rupees, Seriously, I just want at least 10 pairs. See, this is a beautiful earrings. Look at this. This is just 1500 rupees. This is a wonderful. And see the quality. It's a very beautiful, right? Why you're late? Just go to the website, and if you have any doubts, call us, give your contact numbers. Thank you for joining in Facebook Live. If any inquiries, like any questions, please question mark, and you can ask me. Like, I'm ready to give you the red carpet service to you guys. So for the next time, tomorrow I'm ready. I'm going to come for the new collections. We are ready to do the many more collection. Tomorrow I'm into diamonds. So tomorrow I will be sharp at 11:30 at Facebook Live. For more details, you can call back to me. I'm Bhagyashree here, Krishna Pearls.